Hey everyone, thanks for checking into the Redcat Racing YouTube channel, and the vehicle in front of you is the Camo X4. Now this is our special project Camo X4. We have been building this up over the past year with all of the Redcat Racing option parts that are available for this ready to run. It's been a fun experience to install all the parts on here, and we're left with a really rugged vehicle that is going to perform awesome. Alright, the only part that we haven't shown you yet is what you see right in front of you right now, the body. A clear body is available for the Camo X4, so you could paint it in your own custom paint scheme. We sent this one out to Custom RC Graphics for the killer paint job, and it looks absolutely awesome. Let's see what's under the hood. Let's start off by talking about the front of our project vehicle, and more specifically, the front bumper mount right here. This optional piece is aluminum, and it is a much stronger unit than the stock one if you are out there bashing into rocks and other hard debris in your way. Next up, we have the aluminum caster blocks here. This is a nice sturdy support for the steering knuckles, and again, it's machined out of aluminum and anodized black. Looks very awesome. Next up is another great option to get, especially if you're rough on your vehicle. This is the aluminum front shock tower. Bolts on easily and is a great support for our shocks. Okay, now right behind the shock tower is this top plate. It is an aluminum top plate, and this is probably one of the easiest option parts you can install on this vehicle. Then right underneath we have the aluminum steering cranks. Now these are really nice if you want nice precision steering. These drop right in and they are very, very durable. And now moving a little farther back, we did go ahead and replace the motor mount. The stock mount is a metal mount, but we put in the optional aluminum mount to support the motor. Okay, and now we can move on to the rear of our project vehicle, and a lot went down in the back of the buggy here. We'll start off with the axle, so we have aluminum outer tubes. These axle tubes will be a nice strong support for the inner axles, and then on top of our axle here we have the aluminum truss that goes to our links, and then right in the back is an aluminum diff cover. This is purely to make your rig look pretty awesome, and that it does. Okay, let's switch over to the rear suspension now, and pretty much all of the rear links and mounts have been swapped out for the optional aluminum unit. So we have the aluminum lower links, we have the aluminum upper links, and then the rear and front mounts have also been replaced with aluminum. So when you're tumbling with this vehicle, these links and mounts are going to be a lot stronger and handle the abuse of whatever type of terrain you're driving over. We did go ahead and swap out the stock servo for the 25 kg servo, which comes with an aluminum servo arm. It's a great option to have if you want a bit more torque and a stronger all-around servo setup. Our motor and speed controller and radio system remain unchanged. We did go ahead and put a 3500 Hexfly battery in there, and then all that power is going to get transferred through the optional aluminum drive shaft out to the wheels. And this rock racer is just going to be awesome to drive. Let's head outside right now and take it for a rip. Thanks for taking a look at our project build, and if you like any of the parts on this and want to get them for your Camo X4, you could head to our YouTube playlist on the Camo X4 and find each of the parts we installed on this vehicle right there with install instructions and helpful tips. Again, thanks for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell. We'll see you back here soon for some more Redcat Racing projects and how-tos.